Morning, friends, and welcome to another small tutorial on inclusive ERP. Today, we are going to learn how to assign ledgers for credit and debit notes in inclusive finance. Most important thing is whenever you're creating a credit note or a debit note for a customer or a vendor, you will have multiple reasons why you create these. And these reasons could be assigned different ledgers in the finance module. So we'll learn about how to create the right reasons and where to create it from, and how to assign the right reasons to the right ledger. So whenever you get into inclusive ERP, you can go into the returns menu, and there you can see two menus, customer and vendor. When you click on customer, you can see credit notes and debit notes. Similarly, on vendor, you have debit notes. When you click on credit notes and you want to say, for example, create a general credit note, which is for some kind of discounting, you can click on general credit note, select the name of a customer, click on proceed. You can fill in the details manually, and you have a reason which is shown here. Now, these reasons are created either using the plus sign if you have the user rights to do so, or you can go into settings and go into reason master and create the reasons there. Now, when you click on add new to create a new reason, you can select whether the reason is for a customer or a vendor, and for what reason, for a credit note or a debit note. You can give a small reason code and a reason name, and you can save this. While you are searching, you can basically search for reasons based on whether it's a reason for a customer or a vendor. The most important thing to add is whenever you're creating reason, please ensure that you can understand by reading the name of the reason, whether it is created for a customer or a vendor. So like here, we've put slash customer wherever the reason could be something similar for a vendor as well. So keeping that in mind is important, because in the finance module, both these reasons are visible together. So let's get into the finance module and learn about this further. Once in the finance module, you can go to your assign ledger menu, and you have a sales reason ledger menu. There you can see what reason is assigned to which ledger if you've already assigned it. So say, for example, defective fabrics vendor, this is like a vendor reason, and this is assigned to purchase return. Similarly, there is a discount on sale of books, which is assigned to sales return. Now, you could also have assigned the discount on sale of books to a ledger like sales discount or discount for books or something like that. But that is your choice. You can go to add new, select the ledger that you want to assign the reason to, say, for example, sales return. And on the left-hand side, you will see all the unlinked reasons. And the right-hand side, you see a linked reason. For any reason, if you have by mistake added a wrong reason to a wrong ledger, you can click on this, remove the reason from the ledger, and assign it to the right ledger. Most important thing to understand is both the vendor and customer reasons are visible in the unlinked reason. So it's very important for you to name the reason correctly so that you understand whether it's a vendor reason or a customer reason for the credit or debit note. Otherwise, by mistake, you may assign a wrong reason, maybe a vendor reason to a ledger like sales return, or a sales return reason to a vendor ledger like purchase return, which would further create problems in tallying your trial balance and your balance sheet. So wasn't it simple? Keep learning with inclusive ERP.